Welcome to Erasmus CHOICE Project. CHOICE Project aims at supporting the development of citizenship competencies of primary and secondary school students, enabling them to do their part in the fight against climate change through the adoption of sustainable behaviors. To do so, CHOICE is working with school teachers to improve their knowledge about climate change and environmental sustainability, so that they will be able to raise students' awareness on climate change, making them active participants of the fight against global warming. To enhance a school teacher's skills and knowledge, Choice designed an e-learning platform, an open-source online platform containing a set of effective citizenship education activities on climate change targeting primary and secondary school students and aimed at fostering the adoption of environmentally sustainable behaviors. Accessible from the Choice website, the e-learning platform is an online training database where primary and secondary school teachers can find useful materials, both for their own training and for their students' education. The Choice e-learning platform is divided in two main sections: the educational materials containing the Choice educational paths to be used by teachers with the students, and the training material for teachers not to be used with the students. With the Choice platform, you can quantify your skills, grow in your role, and stay relevant on critical and crucial topics on sustainability. Also, you will be able to support the development of crucial and relevant citizenship competences of your primary and secondary school students. In this video, we will browse together the Choice e-learning platform and explore the sections containing the educational material for students and the training material for teachers and educators. In the educational materials section of the Choice platform, you will find the educational paths, 8 independent short curricula on specific topics regarding climate change and environmental sustainability, designed by Choice. The educational paths are designed for specific age target groups and comprise many transversal activities, from movies and documentaries to experiments and in citizenship engagement activities. The educational paths are designed to provide not only theoretical knowledge, but also practical application of such knowledge. Now, let's have a look together at one of the Choice educational paths. Let's take as an example the fashion and clothing educational path. For each of the educational paths, you will find the learning objectives and the learning outcomes expected to be earned, as well as the age of the students the educational path is designed for. The educational paths are to be delivered to the students in the order in which they're presented. You will see that each path is divided in three parts: a theory section, a hands-on activities section, and a call for action section. Each part is designed to provide students with the theoretical and practical knowledge needed to understand a certain phenomenon. For example, in the specific case of the fashion and clothing educational path, in the theory section, you will find documentaries exposing how fast fashion brands produce their products. Going on, in the hands-on activities section, you will find practical experiments in which students will see firsthand the application of the newly acquired theoretical knowledge. Finally, in the last section, in the call for action section, you will find tangible and practical activities through which students can raise environmental awareness in their schools, families, and local communities. Pay attention to the description provided at the top of each of the educational paths. From the details provided here, you can see if the educational path is suitable for your student's age and interests. On the other hand, in the training materials section, are gathered useful resources for teachers training on the topics of the educational paths. This way, teachers and educators will be able to deliver the educational path contents to their students in the best way possible. The training materials are the result of Choice Project series of training sessions, which are divided in online training sessions, subdivided in video materials, with the online training session recordings, and other resources containing useful materials from the training session themselves. The second section, the JSTE training material, are the result of the JSTE Train the Trainers event, a week-long in-presence event organized by Choice at the University of Thessaly campus in Larissa, Greece, during which Choice partner school teachers and educators were trained on topics regarding sustainability, such as STEM education, interactive and engaging teaching methodologies, use of technological and digital tools during class, among others. In the training material section of the Choice e-learning platform, you will also find a general discussion forum, a space dedicated to teachers in which they can discuss teaching, compare experiences, and ask for advice on the delivery of the Choice educational paths. Are you interested in Choice? Do you want to learn more on the Choice project activities and what we do? You are more than welcome to contact us through our webpage and to follow us in our social media channels on Instagram and Facebook.